Hey guys, this is Ben with Cooper and Bimmer Experts in Irwindale, California. Today I want to do a video on transmission rebuild. So here's one I got apart right now that I'm rebuilding. But one of the best ways that you can prevent having to do this is by changing your automatic transmission fluid. Now, this particular transmission down here had a burnt up clutch pack. You see how it's all black there, and inside it ended up slipping and burning up, and then it lost first gear and reverse. But one of the biggest things I see is when people call the dealership, they'll ask them, well, I want to change my transmission fluid, but look at this sticker right here. It says, warning, lifetime oil, no oil change. In case of repair, only BMW oil part number. Other fluids will cause non-warrantable transmission damage. So many people will call the dealership, or they'll call some place and they'll say, I want to do a transmission fluid flush, and they'll be like, well, we're not going to do it. It's got lifetime oil. Now, I just want to clarify what that means. Lifetime oil doesn't mean that the oil lasts for a lifetime. It means that the oil's lifetime is 100,000 miles as per the manufacturer, okay? So my recommendation is to change it between 50 and 100,000 miles. You know, it may be $300, $400, $500 to do it, depending on where you're at in the world and who you're taking it to. But these transmissions will last well over 200,000 miles if they're well taken care of. The biggest misconception, like I said, is this little sticker that says lifetime oil, no oil change. But like I said, the lifetime of the oil is 100,000 miles. If you do it a little early or half its life, it's gonna last a lot longer, okay? Hope you guys enjoyed this tip. If you could, just smash that like button and subscribe, and you'll get all my videos as they come down the pike. All right, thanks so much. Hope you're all out there being safe. And as always, thank you for watching. Check out our other videos, and if you have any questions about Mini Coopers or BMWs, ask in the comments below.